yeah, just thought I'd take a little jaunt over here through the Sacramento International Airport.
Yeah, get up,
Have never ridden through here on my motorcycle, so we'll see how different this airport is, and especially if you haven't gone over here in a while. They've really done a lot of work. So here we are, Sacramento International Airport. I've never ridden my bike through here because whenever I go here, I'm either flying somewhere or I'm picking somebody up, and you can't do either of those. Well, I mean, I guess you could, but I wouldn't want to do either of those on my motorcycle, especially I guess if they have any luggage at all. Can't pick somebody up or drop somebody off at the airport on your motorcycle. But we're going to check out the Sacramento International Airport. They've done like a multi-million, like hundreds of millions of dollar renovation on this place, and as you can see in the distance here, just some huge improvements that they've made here, and it's pretty spectacular. I mean, they've got, if you can see here, there's this big terminal here. Actually, I think this is the parking garage right here. No, the parking garage is over there, and then the terminal's here. And the terminal will actually, if you see that little jump off there, and we're gonna go up this little hill, I've never been up here, there's a bridge from the parking lot to the terminal, and then you could actually take it's like a little tram that you take to the other terminals in the airport. You know, there's a little speed bump here. Hope I don't get lost in here. Never been over here. So there you see, there's the tram that takes you from the main terminal to the other terminals in the airport. So just pretty cool. They've made a lot of improvements over here, and Sacramento as a whole has actually made a lot of improvements, period, since they built the new arena. The downtown has gone through a lot of renovations. They're actually in the process of trying to get a Major League Soccer team, and they have plans, and they're just looking for investors to build another multi-million dollar structure after they've already built the Golden One Center and this airport fairly recently. So they're looking for investors to build a multi-million dollar stadium for Major League Soccer, and I think that's pretty cool. And I think I've mentioned this before on the channel. I'm not a huge fan of soccer, but to me, it's progress for the city, and it's something that I know a lot of residents and people in the surrounding regions really want. So I think it's cool, and along with the airport and the Golden One Center, I think it's something that's going to help make this city, you know, a more of a destination city, more of something, give people around here more to do, because right now, especially with only having one professional team, and I mean, we are the capital of California, so it will be nice if they are able to do that. And where they're going to do that is on the old abandoned rail yards. They've already done so much work to the actual old rail yard land. It looks like they have all the infrastructure up around where they want to build this stadium. So kind of a cool thing that they're already prepping to do. I think it's all up to whether or not Major League Soccer wants to add another expansion team. And it looks like I rode right into the rain, but we'll get out from under it and not have to worry about that, hopefully. But yeah, Sacramento has a lot of things going for it. I'm really happy, because being a guy who's grown up around Sacramento and actually lived in Sacramento for I don't know, like a fifth of my life. I love this city, and I love the surrounding areas, and anytime that they can make improvements and add things that make it a more fun and a more interesting place to live, I'm all for that. So guys, if you have pride in your hometown, go ahead and leave it in the comments. Give me a reason to move to your hometown. I'm always up for an adventure. I've actually talked to my wife about, you know, once the kids move out and, you know, we're into, not close to retirement, but at a point where if we wanted to make a move, we could. You know, where would we want to move? And we've talked about maybe Portland or Seattle. I don't know if I would ever want to live there in either one of those cities, because I know it rains a lot up there. But we have friends that moved to Texas, and we have friends that moved to Colorado, Ohio. Obviously, they have friends in the theater industry that moved to New York and LA. And I don't think that I could ever move to those big cities, but fun to think about making a change in your life. So make your best pitch to move that one guy to your hometown. And we're back on the bouncy bridge. You can see this truck right here. This tank of a truck. What the hell is this? Excuse my language, but this is like a friggin' tank. That's pretty awesome. So guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right over here. And if you want to check out some of my other videos, click one of these links on this side. Guys, if you're riding, be safe. And if you're not riding, get riding. This is that one guy, and I'm out.